I had a lump in my throat. I had a hard time swallowing, a hard time anytime I ate something. It was an obstruction in my throat. I mean, it was continual. In my mind, I'm thinking, you know, all the horrible things it could possibly be. And I also was concerned because January, my deductible started over on my health insurance. I have a very high deductible, $2,500 a year, and I'm thinking, oh, this is going to be a huge out-of-pocket expense if I go to the doctor, even if it was something very benign. And I had nowhere to go but to trust God. And that's what I was doing. I was just kind of hanging on there going, God, you know, I need your help with this. Every single day, I watched the 700 Club. It was a typical day. I was watching it, and I was praying along, and all of a sudden, when Terry Muson's word came forth.
It's the one else you have when you swallow. It's almost like you have to swallow over something in your throat, and it's, I don't know what it is, but God's healing that condition for you and taking it away.
I just went, oh, it took my breath, and then I just threw my hands up. I was like, oh, thank you, Lord, praise you, thank you. I just rejoiced. I thanked him. I was so in awe. You know, I know it can happen, but when it really happens to you, you realize, oh God, you know, you saw me in my you know, in my distress, in my time of need, and I had nowhere else to go. That was it. It was him and I. I was telling everybody, you know, I was like, let me tell you what happened. And I'm nobody special. I'm not some, you know, super spiritual being, and I'm just a girl that was in a position that I had nowhere else to go. I had to trust him, and he met me in my greatest time of fear. In a nanosecond that dissipated. And if he'll do it for me, he'll do it for anybody.